Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Now, your half-yearly exams are over and we'll proceed with our final syllabus. So, let's start our today's class. Class 4 today, in your social studies class, will start lesson number 6, maps. Now, what is a map? Map is the representation of the earth or a part of the earth. When we represent the earth or a part of the earth, any part of the earth on a flat surface, and that on a flat surface it is drawn to scale. According to scale, it is drawn on a map. When we represent it, it is called a map. So, maps may represent the physical features of an area, like rivers. It can represent the mountains, okay, and others also. Now, this map shows all the natural and all the human made features of an area. It can take the help of symbols also and the diagrams also. Now, it also shows countries, cities, and many other features. You can even represent your neighborhood through a map. So, we can represent our neighborhood also through a map. Now, then comes uses of maps. Now, what are the uses of maps? For what purpose the maps are used? First, the maps are used because it helps us to know different ways to reach any place. If we have to reach any place, it helps us to know the different ways. For example, like to find the shortcuts, to find the shortest route to reach the market. If we have to reach the market, so how can we reach the market at a shorter time? What is the shortest route? It also helps. Maps help us to know that. Number 2 is they help to find unknown places, those we have never visited. If we want to visit a place where we have never visited, so map help us to know those places, to find out those places. Then comes, they help us to know about different states. If we how many states are there, where are those states, okay, their location in our country, or cities, where those cities are, and in the other parts of the world, even of in our country also and of world also. We can know all the states in our country and all the cities on the other parts of the world. It also helps us to know that also. Then comes, they help us to locate rivers, mountains, and other features. Now, apart from the countries and states and cities, it also helps us to locate rivers. I told you the physical features of an area. It also represents the physical features like river, mountains, and other features. Then is, they help us get information about other countries. Means they also help to get the information about other countries. Okay. So these are the uses of maps. Now is types of maps. There are many types of maps that gives us information, different kinds of information that gives, but mainly two important types of maps are, first is physical map and the second is political map. Now, what is physical map? Physical map shows the major physical features. What major physical features? Like rivers, mountains, plateaus, plains, and lakes. These are shown in a physical map. These physical features are shown in a physical map. Now, it is also called, physical map is also called a relief map. It is also called a relief map. These are very important to plan defense system or tourism in a country. Then second is political map. Now, what is a political map? It shows a detailed division of the land into countries. Means it shows us the detailed division of countries, states, cities, and other divisions. Okay. Now, we can within any country we can locate a country, or we can locate a state, their capitals we can locate, and major rivers also, and other important places in the state by using this political map. Now, I will show you the picture of a physical map and a political map. Look at this map. This is the map of, this is a physical map. As I told you, in this map, we can we can show the physical features like rivers we can show here, mountains we can show here, plateaus, plains and lakes also we can show in this physical map. Okay, then the second one I told you, the political map. And this is a political map. As I told you, in this map we can show the detailed division. You can see detailed division is there in this map. Here we can show each and every states. We can show its capitals also. Okay, we can show many other parts in this type of map. Okay, major and rivers also we can show, many other places also we can show in this in this political map. So these are the two main types of maps. Do you know who is a cartographer? Yes, a person who draws and create maps. The person who draws the map or who creates the map, that person is known as a cartographer. Okay. And you all know that a book of maps. What is a book of maps called? It is called it is called an atlas. Okay, atlas is a book of maps. Take out page number 57 in your book. One activity is given here. There list down 5 features each for a political map and a physical map in the given column. There are 2 columns given. One is political map and the other is for physical map. You have to write 5 features for each one of them. 5 features for political map and 5 features for physical map. This you have to do in your homework notebook. Okay, classwork notebook, in your social studies notebook. Today we have covered few topics like maps, uses of maps and types of maps. Okay, so now the next video will continue from components of maps. So this much for today.